1 week on since the devastating Turkey-Syria earthquake, the death toll has now topped more than 33,000 people and it continues to rise. Aid is being shipped to the two nations from across the globe. However, getting aid into Syria is proving to be difficult as only one of the borders into the country is currently open. The 7.8 magnitude quake and over 200 aftershocks have left roads and infrastructure destroyed and flattened countless buildings.
The Daily Express has been on the scene here in Turkey for the last few days, witnessing the aftermath of this week's devastating earthquakes. We've seen in several cities how entire blocks have been reduced to piles of rubble like this, and the search for survivors is continuing. Thousands have been left homeless. Even the buildings that are still standing are extremely dangerous. A lot of them are riddled with cracks. And so people are sleeping in white aid tents or in their cars or even just under blankets and cardboard and plastic sheeting.
Many people have been pulled from the rubble alive. However, as time goes on, the hope of finding more survivors fades with every hour that passes. The cold is also claiming many lives as those trapped in rubble succumb to hypothermia.